Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to level up our onion rings recipe. So we're going to make barbecue chicken onion rings. Yes, this recipe is so delicious, so easy to make. We're going to wrap these babies up in some bacon. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're going to start off by preheating our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line your baking sheet with some tin foil and place it aside. For this recipe, we are using a rotisserie chicken. I like to go in and basically just shred that chicken in a large bowl. After shredding your chicken, go in with your cream cheese. Add your favorite cheese. Add your barbecue sauce. This is how it's looking after mixing all the ingredients together. Now go ahead and set this aside. Take your large onion and slice it. Just like so. And some of that chicken, and we're going to press it against the ring. Just like so. Now take your bacon and wrap it. So that was just one bacon. Now I'm going to take another piece of bacon to finish wrapping it. This is how my onion rings are looking after wrapping them. I was able to fit 6 on here, so I'm going to stick them in the oven and bake for 12 minutes. Hello guys, so my barbecue chicken onion rings are ready and I cannot wait to enjoy them. They look so good, just the perfect, easy appetizers that anyone can make. And I just like to dip them in some ranch, just like so. These are the best. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.